Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get your battery percentage to show on your iPhone without having to scroll down on the top right of your display, bringing up the control center. It's just going to make it a lot easier to see that percentage of the battery and know whether or not you should go charge it. So this is all thanks to iOS 16 finally bringing that back. Apple decided to remove that battery percentage on the iPhone 10, and I know myself and a lot of people have really missed that feature. So without further ado, let's go ahead and find out how exactly we can get that back. It's super simple and this video is going to be extremely short. So in order to do this, you will of course have to download iOS 16, and it is available for all of the iPhone 12 and 13 models except for the iPhone 12 and 13 mini. For whatever reason, Apple does not allow it on the smaller screen size phones. The battery percentage will also be available on the iPhone 10 and 10s as well as the iPhone 14 models and the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. It won't be available on the regular iPhone 11 or the XR though, and Apple hasn't made it clear as to why some phones will get it and some phones won't. In my opinion, I think every phone should be able to do it. It's really not that big of a deal, and who knows, maybe down the line they will add it for all of the phones. So it's going to be a 3-step process to get the battery percentage back onto the phone. So step number 1 is just go to your settings. So you just open that up and then you just scroll down to battery, just click that, and then right there you go, battery percentage. So you can see on the top right of my phone, it's just got the regular battery. I gotta go like this to see the percentage. So to change that, all you do is just click on battery percentage, and then there you go. Now it says 95%. Super convenient versus having to always scroll down all the time to the control center. I'm not sure exactly why they removed that in the first place, because it is just such a great feature to have on the phone, and it made no sense to remove it in my opinion, but hey, it's back. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. And then if you ever want to turn it back off for whatever reason, you just click on that button again and you are stuck with that non-battery percentage showing battery. I am definitely going to have mine on though. And there you have it guys, that is how you get the battery percentage to show with iOS 16 on select phones. Like I said, I do think there's a possibility that Apple will add this to a few other phones down the line. Unfortunately, they are limiting this feature to specific phones, but it is a great feature if you have access to it. It was just so annoying having to always swipe down to the control center just to see what my phone was at. A couple other cool features though is that when the phone is charging, the battery is going to be green, and when the phone drops below 20%, the battery icon is going to be red, letting you know that the battery of course is getting low and that you should probably charge it. So it's really cool that they have color indicators now for us, plus being able to actually see that battery percentage is just a win-win. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial guys. A nice short and sweet video for today. Tomorrow I will be posting my unboxing for the 14 Pro Max in silver, and if I have time after posting that video, I will be doing my unboxing of the Nike Edition Apple Watch Series 8. It is going to be a super busy weekend for me and the channel, so if you guys want to see those videos, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day today, and I will see you again tomorrow.